Hello. Last DVD. Well, I'm gonna check my YouTube channel, but later when I wrote up, like when I change my username, I will just name the YouTube name I just named it. So welcome back to another video. I'm not making Beastone hits no more. So actually no, I am, but not chocolate news no more. I'm making season 1 of very last CBG. So I forgot to record because I was so little. I was like 7.5 when I started playing. Actually no, I was back in 2021. I started playing, and then or 2021 or 2020, whatever it's called. I think I started playing. So today we're gonna be doing a boost. See how much higher I get so we can gamble. But we can't gamble yet. I'll show you. Hold on. Let me get to my jellies. So my next goal is to get this Super and Star Miller, but I need to like buy more and give the bees. So that's what it'll probably take a couple of days to gain that. If it's like 15 days, yeah, maybe. It's gonna be a crazy grind. Oh, somebody just left. Oh my god, I just flew right into the air. I went right for the air. Oh, by the way, we have 60 days before Beastmas. I'm so sad. But don't worry. Beastmas was so awesome and I just got blue. Why did they even know the job blue? He did know. Alright, so let's see where I need to finish. I need to finish this plus right here. It's kind of challenging. Just taking a while. Oh, why did I turn that way? I was not supposed to. Well, that's stupid. Well, let's just check the stockings. Oh yay, blue extract. I need that for the tie popper. I'm just kidding. I need that for the... Actually, no, I don't need that for that. I need bread extracts for the dark side, but I'm not grinding it for right now. Well, as you can see, when I recorded, I had the honey mask, but now I have the demon mask. I should have recorded when I was grinding for the gummy mask. Lame. Down here, I try to finish Stickbugs course, but I can't make it to round 11. I only can make it to round 7. I couldn't make it to round 8. It's very hard, and I can't make it. So let's see. That's why we need to gamble for Scorching Star. Huge gingerbread bear. Also have 300 tickets. I'm saving up from Star Trek. And I have 3 bubble potions. We're just waiting for the Mondo chip to spawn. I want it to spawn. 36 minutes. You gotta be kidding me. You have to be serious. Okay, another server. Let's see. Let's see when he spawns. Are you kidding me? 35? No. I'm just gonna keep rejoining servers. Alright. Time to clean my hive. Go over here. And then check. 30. Are you kidding me? Alright, one more server, then I'm gonna end this clip, and then I'll sell. What can you do to get those costs down? Here's a short list of some of the energy suckers that could be costing you money, according to Yahoo. Items like desktop computer, motor. Are you kidding? I hate this game. I literally hate it. Oh my gosh, this is so demanding. Come on. Come on. Come on, little chick. Just spawn already. Are you kidding me? Stupid sussy game. So this game doesn't want me to spawn the model chick. And you might hear my aunt laughing. If you haven't met my aunt yet, just I'll put the video link in the description. You can see it. From 2 years ago. Alright, let's clean this hive once again. I'm probably not get face right to say. Oh my. What? Nothing. No, you didn't. You gotta be kidding me. Seriously? Why? I'm just gonna join a private server. Grind. Just join this. Okay. So I'll link the description to my aunt's video. And you can see me here. In the first quarter of this year, get ready for the Pioneers of Rock and Roll exhibit, which will feature I gotta go soon at 8:30, so it's gonna be a long video. Alright, now I'm in a very good server. See you on the module chick spawn. Are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding me. Why? Okay, I'm just gonna join one more, and then this is the last one. I'm gonna hate my life. Okay, I'm now in a great server. You know what? Fine. Looks like I gotta do very rusty, busty, nasty, crusty boost. I hope I get more honey though. At least it's more than. I hope I get more than 2. Well, thank you for a honey storm. I don't need tickets yet. Okay, I do, but for the star treat, I'm giving my star treat to a bear bee because my friend told me that and it's very better. Actually, let's kill the coconut crab first, so I could get more converters. Extra converters. Let's kill this idiot real quick, and then I'll be back to do a boost. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I'm back. So I killed the coconut crab, and then I got 2 star jellies, but no gifted diamond egg. It's okay. We're just gonna kill it a few times after I do this memory match. Let's do this memory match. No, oh my god, this game is a scam. Give me the star jelly. Where's the star jelly? I don't even care if I'm an expert pro. Where is the star jelly?
Why are you so loud?
Where is the star jelly? Oh my gosh. Thank God. I got it. Thank God I got the star jelly. I'm just gonna be saving those for my gambling. Okay. Alright, let's donate a purple potion, even though I didn't get it, but it's okay. Donate purple potion. See what I get. I got pepper patch. Let's see. It's ×7. Let's do ×7 at the Rose Field. I got more converters. Set up the boost. Probably no, I did just cancel it. Let's see. Let's use some. See if I get Roseville from here. I don't care if I get very good loot. Strawberry field. Are you kidding me? No rules field? You know what? Looks like I'm gonna do very crusty, musty, dusty boost. Okay, I've got drink, potion, glue, glitter. Again, trying to use some dice. Come on. I hate you, game. Why they got a 2-turn? And it's not boosted in my field. Oh, the pain. You know what? I don't care. I'm just gonna... Alright. Is there anything else I can use? Probably no. Alright, time to do some snowflakes. 48,000 years. The boost is now over. Now I have 10 billion honey. So, not that bad, but it's okay. So, we're gonna convert all of this balloon. See if I get scammed by the stupid star jelly. If I get scammed, then the video will be over. So, who do we replace this time? How about this? Gifted. Look at. I know this Riley B because it's trash. No. No. Really? You just scanned me? Really, Royal Jelly? Is that what you wanted to do? Huh? This game is absolute garbage.